The total number of new cases is 71. West Jaintia Hills 36, East Khas Hills 29, Ribhoi 2, West Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills 1, and North Garo Hills 1. The total number of active cases is 1009. Out of this, 327 are in East Khas Hills. 24 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 303 from the others category. West Khas Hills 51, Southwest Khas Hills 3, Ribhoi 258, 6 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 252 from the others category. West Jaintia Hills 101, East Jaintia Hills 21, West Garo Hills 159, 31 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 128 from the others category. Southwest Garo Hills 6, South Garo Hills 9, East Garo Hills 58, and North Garo Hills 16. The total number of recoveries is 117. 83 are from East Khas Hills, 14 from Ribhoi, 8 from South Garo Hills, 5 from West Garo Hills, 5 from West Jaintia Hills, 1 from East Jaintia Hills, and 1 from North Garo Hills. The total number of recovered cases till today is 8,579, and the total number of deaths is 90. November 2004 kilong bunyi. Kes ki batmai nang sini kilong punya kuai. Life and real kilong for West Jaintia Hills, R Kandai for East Khas Hills, R for Ribhoi, R for West Garo Hills, Iway for East Garo Hills, but Iway for North Garo Hills. Baru kes ki belong active mentah sini, hadu mentah sini belong si hajar anda. Pada kini life pa arfinyo bidon for East Khas Hills, arfasau bidon for the armed forces, paramilitary forces, but life pa lai na kiway. Sanfuway for West Khas Hills, lai for Southwest Khas Hills, Aspa Sanpupra for Ribhoi, Nriu bidon for the armed forces, paramilitary forces, but Aspa Sanfu ar na kiway. Shispa iway bidon for West Jaintia Hills, Arfway for East Jaintia Hills, Shispa Sanfu Kandai for West Garo Hills, pada kini Lifeway, jadi ki armed forces, paramilitary forces, but Shispa Arfupra kita giveaway. Southwest Garo Hills Nrio, South Garo Hills Kandai, East Garo Hills Sanfupra, but North Garo Hills Kandrio. Case your government takasing kilong sispa kadmium. Pada gini prafulai gini na po East Khas Hills, khatsaw na Ribhoi, pra na South Garo Hills, san na West Garo Hills, san na po West Jaintia Hills, iway na po East Jaintia Hills, pat sa iway na North Garo Hills. Baro kanlum lang kibala recover haru mentakasing kilong prahaja sanspa nyuk kundai. But kibala club no, hadu mentakasing kilong kundai ko.